Hey my dolls, it's your girl Aya coming at you guys today with a review on a unit that I purchased from GoBeautyny. This is Bobbi Boss's latest unit, Ophelia, and I have Ophelia in the color TT1B/A blonde. So this is basically a 1B dark root with the ash blonde color. I really wanted her in a two-tone color, but I'm kind of glad I got this ash blonde. It's really pretty. And I love the fact that it does have the dark root. So this unit has a total of 3 combs, 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps and the moldable ear tabs. She's going to come with a 5-inch deep hand-tied part. But of course, you know, you can shift this wig, but you can't part it anywhere else. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. There's that parting area. I was already playing with her, but I will show you guys a clip of what the parting area looks like before I went ahead and I plucked it and things like that, because this unit does need to be plucked in the parting area. She's very full. I don't have any complaints about the density. If you're wondering about the unit that I have on right now, this is Sensational's Cloud9 Raina, and she is still holding up, y'all. Y'all see how gorgeous she looks? Click the card up above if you want to see her review. Once again, the card will be up above to watch her review. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on Ophelia, and y'all, look at Ophelia. She is just gorgeous. I tried to be neutral with my makeup, but y'all know me. My inner drag queen came out. But anyway, look at the texture of this hair. The hair is really nice and soft, y'all. Oh my goodness. I love the texture. I'm kind of glad I didn't get the two-tone color because this one is hitting. Now, I did go ahead and trim her bang up a little bit. Oh, and also, dolls, this is a left part wig. So your part is going to be on your left side and your bang is going to flow to the right. Look at the density on her. She's maybe about a good 24 inches long. She does come slightly layered for you, but they're long layers, which is why I cut a part of the bang off, so it'll frame my face just a little bit better. Oh, excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry. Allergies are getting the best of me. But anyway, do y'all see this? I am feeling myself in this color, y'all. And typically, I don't go for ash blonde because it can look a little grayish on me. And I don't know. I'm really liking this ash blonde, though, even though it is slightly on the gray side. And so she's really gorgeous. As far as shedding and tingling, yes, she does shed. Yes, she does tingle. I really like the color that the stock model has on. But I do want to note something. If you do want the two-tone color, your color blend is going to be TTS6/blonde if you want the two-tone blonde that you see on the back of the stock card. So like I said, I did go ahead and I plucked that hairline because it needed to be plucked, and I added my foundation where I plucked at, and that's it. I didn't really do anything else to it. I did spray some hairspray on her because she had a lot of flyaways. As far as the style goes, it's a really basic style. It's nothing to be like, oh my god, I gotta have this wig. But the way Bobbi Boss does their colors and things like that, it makes you gravitate towards certain styles, and I really like this hair. So let me know what you think about Ophelia on me. I will come at y'all with another review. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want in on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. Inna ya, say she give me inna ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's VQ.